Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to add timestamp in your description. So anyone watching your video and it's too long and you need to see a particular part in the video, they can just click on the timestamp in the description and it takes them directly to that particular part in the video. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So first I'm going to open my YouTube channel. Then I'm going to click on my account icon in the top right corner. Then your channel, YouTube Studio. Go to videos. Then you're going to choose the video you need to add the timestamp to. So I'm going to search. Alright, so I'm going to use this video right here. So I'm going to open it. Click on the video. Alright, so I pause it. Hold on. Alright, so I'm going to just stop it at 2 minutes and 29 seconds. Let I write it down. 2 minutes 29 seconds. So I'm going to use 2 minutes 29 seconds. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to press edit video. And so this is the description, so you're gonna right click at the end of the word here. So then I'm gonna press enter. Then I'm going to right click and I'm going to enter 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So shift right here. 29. Then I'm going to hit save. I'm going to refresh the page. Alright, so now I'm going to play the video. Wait for it to load. Alright, so now this video is playing. I'm going to scroll down. You're seeing the description right here. Just highlight it. So as you can see, 2 minutes 29 seconds. Alright, so if I click on it now, it's gonna take you exactly to the 2 minutes and 29 seconds right here. So that's how you add time stamp in your description. So if you find this video helpful, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching.